everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a one brand makeup look and it will be on LILYBYRED. I recently only knew of LILYBYRED because of one particular product that I've tried, and so I was really keen on trying more of the products because I've been noticing that brand a lot lately. Hope you guys enjoyed this and let's get started. I don't think LILYBYRED has any primer, so we're going to skip that and jump straight to the cushion. This is the LILYBYRED Cotton Bleu cushion and look at the bunny, it's just so adorable. I got mine in the shade number 23. When you open it up, it has this beautiful teardrop cushion with the bunny printed all over this cushion as well. And I've actually used this already. The longevity for this is actually a good amount of time. I used this when I went out the other day and we went for a walk and stuff, and yet this actually stays on pretty well. This cushion, when you first apply, it gives you like this cooling sensation when you apply it, and also looks quite white, but after that it actually sort of toned down and blend really nicely on my skin, so it doesn't look that pale, but the initial like application, it looks really white for some reason. Coverage for this is about light to medium finish. I would say definitely use some concealer if you want to conceal more, but for me, I think this one is okay. I might just conceal a bit on my like pimple area, which I was supposed to put my concealer before my cushion. This is the LILYBYRED Magnet Fit Liquid Concealer. This is the concealer that makes me fall in love with the brand. I'm so obsessed with this concealer because it is so lightweight, it's so creamy, it's so silky on the face. The shade for this one is in number 23, so I believe there's only 2 different shades. I'm just gonna use this to apply on where I have like blemishes. I decided to try the LILYBYRED Skinny Mes Brow Pencil. If I'm not wrong, I think there's another version of eyebrow pencil as well, but I decided to choose this one, and this one is in the shade number 3. Hopefully I got the right color because there were a few shades to choose from. This pencil actually reminds me of the PETITE one, but we'll see how good this one is. If you push it hard, then the color will be much more obvious, much more stronger looking, I guess. But with eyebrows pencil, you don't want to give like a heavy push, because if not, it just won't look nice. So definitely use this gently and slowly, and the color is actually really nice. It definitely matched with my eyebrow hair, which is great. I have the LILYBYRED Mood Chit Kit and the shade number 1, which is a beautiful peachy brownie shade. So you get that one peachy nude shade here, and then around you get that orange tone, but also solid brown shades as well, which I absolutely love. I can see from the palette it has about 3 shimmers, 2 about like a matte shimmer, and then 4 matte shade, which is awesome. I'm gonna try and do more like a semi brown smoky eye look, but also this is a makeup look that I've been using a lot lately, which is really fast and quick to do because I want the focus to actually be on the contact lens. I'm actually using like a grey contact lens, so I don't want the peach to actually clash with this eyeshadow. I'm going to use this shadow on my crease area just to deepen up the crease, using the shade next to it, and this is like a grey brown but much more of a warmer tone, and apply this all over the lid space and just focusing on the lid only, and using the remaining for the lower lash line. Taking the darker shadow in this palette and just applying this like just under my crease area, and just slowly dragging the shade up, so that way we can see like 3 tones of brown. And as you can see, I'm just pretty much patting this color in, and left over on the lower lash line again. I'm just gonna blend all this out because it's a bit harsh on the top, and just using the same shade that I used to blend the crease, and hopefully this just gives much more of a nicer blended finish. I have an eyeliner, and this is called the Survivor Pen Liner AM9 to PM9, so I'm assuming that it's supposed to be long lasting. I can hear that it has like this shaking thing inside, and I'm gonna try my best and actually use this in front of the camera. I think I got mine in number 2. this goes on really easily. I'm gonna try to open my eyes and see if it transfers. I feel like it's still quite wet. Yep, it does transfer, so definitely close your eyes for a bit while doing this and let it set. Another thing I did off camera as well was curl my lashes and actually tightline with this Starry Eyes gel eyeliner, and oh my god, this is actually really smooth and I love the gel texture of this. I've been meaning to look for a new gel eyeliner to tightline because my BBIA one has like nearly ran out, so I wanted to stock up a new one, and this one just came in time. I like that this one comes with a sharpener at the end as well, so you can sharpen the gel tip when it's blunt. But yeah, very impressed with this, and definitely really black, and it doesn't transfer to the bottom lash line as well, because some gel liner do that, but this one doesn't, which is great. Next, I'm going to use a mascara, and this is, I don't know what the English word for this one is, but this is just a mascara, and I got mine in the shade number 5 black. I believe they have a few different colors. The one is actually quite huge, so hopefully I don't touch this on my lid space. And if I'm not wrong, this is more like a volumized one rather than a lengthening one, but to be honest, I always use lashes, so mascara doesn't really bother me at all. It does volumize, but it doesn't curl up at all, so definitely curl your lashes more if you want it to curl up and show the length. I've put on the lashes off camera as well. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle on my eyes, and I'm using the LILYBYRED, I think it's called Glitter Zone, which is like a glitter gel pot, and I got mine in the shade number 2, which is a beautiful peachy champagne shade. I'm gonna use my pinky and apply this just on the inner part of my eyes, just to give it a bit of, oh okay, that is very sparkly, so just be mindful of that, but it's nice to have a little bit of puff of color, I guess. For the blush, I have this really cute heart-shaped blush, and this is the LILYBYRED Love Beam Cheek in the shade number 2, which is a beautiful light muted pink shade, but like warm tone as well. Look at this heart shape, it's so adorable. I'm just gonna apply this. This is very pigmented, but it does have quite a bit of a fallout, so keep in mind of that. They also have highlighter, and it's also in like heart shape as well, and this is the Love Beam Glow in the shade number 2. I chose this color because of the beautiful gold champagne shade. I'm just gonna apply this on my high cheek area, and this one have fallout as well, so definitely keep in mind. I can't really see. Hold on, I might need to apply. Okay, so this one takes a while to actually layer up, so I guess it's good if you want like a natural highlighter. This takes a while to build up, but once it builds up, it's actually very reflective. Last step is a lip product, and I got the LILYBYRED Glassy Layer Fixing Tint in the number shade Kill Me Plum. I've actually used this a day before just to see what the longevity is like. It's definitely not as long lasting, and it's more like a lip gloss type of tint where it will just fade off once you eat, so keep in mind of that. And the other thing I've noticed with this one is that you gotta be careful the way you apply this, because once it goes on your lips, you can't blend it out. So I usually like to apply lip product underneath and then go to the top, right? So I feel like with this tint, it was much more darker looking on the bottom than the top. So now I'm gonna go the other way around, where I'm gonna put it on the top first, and then I'll go to the bottom, because I feel like that probably work better. And then just, yeah, that looks better. This tint is definitely better if you want like a gradient finish. It will definitely give you that, but my tip is to actually apply the upper lip first before applying the bottom, because that way you get much more of an even finish rather than the bottom to the top, if that makes sense. This is my final look of the LILYBYRED one brand look. I am honestly truly really amazed with all of these products, like, and you guys could see from my first impressions that I was actually amazed with them. And I think from doing this video, I really want to try more stuff from their brand now. But if I have to only pick 5, like just 5, I would say the first one would be the concealer, then the gel eyeliner. I would also say this glitter pot, even though I don't know how often I'll use it, and the eyeshadow because it's so pigmented and there's no fallout. I also really like the blush or the highlighter. I would say more like the blush because I've been loving the blush lately. So those will be my top 5 if I have to pick 5. But overall, I am truly impressed with all of the products that I've tried. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried the brand LILYBYRED before and which product you enjoy, and you know, recommend me as well down below in the comment box below. But I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.